In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Wix is not accepting payments. Firstly, check your account activation. Log in to your dashboard and see if your account still needs activation. Follow the sign up guide in the top right hand corner if required. Secondly, look for a pending information request. There might be a form you need to complete. Check the notifications in the top right hand corner of your dashboard, then use a computer with Google Chrome for a smoother experience. And finally, if the issue persists, contact support. If your account is still inactive after these steps, reach out to support. Call 1800-760-137 from Monday to Friday 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can also do online chat, which is available in your dashboard, or you can email them at their support channel. Let me know if you need further help with anything else. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.